Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to draw in your Google Docs, then this video is for you. First, we are going to take a blank page here just like this. Now if you want to draw on this page here, then you have to do is you have to simply click on this insert tab, or you can find the drawing here. Now simply click on plus new button here. Now from here you will be able to make a drawing in this section here. Now you can find different types of tools like actions here. So you can find the downloads. You can download this as a PDF or JPG file or the PNG image or any type of graphics, that scalable vector graphics. Also you can add some word art here, then the usual options, cut, copy, paste and duplicate. Also alignment here, you can add you can rotate it, you can show the rules, you can add some grid lines for the guides here. Then here it is the undo and redo button here. Then this is zoom in, and this for zooming actually. So zoom menu here, you can zoom it to this ratio. Then this is for the cursor here, you can, or this is for the shape, that you can use any type of shape from here. For example, I'm going to take the smiley face here and I'm going to place it like here, just like this. Now you have to click on it and you can actually give the color of this face from here. So I'm going to add the face here, yes, black color. Then I'm going to add some more shape here. You can find shapes here. So I'm going to add a circle shape. So I'm going to place it like here, place it in this section and make it totally black color to have a great eyes. So I'm going to make it a little like here, and I'm going to, you can actually adjust the size, you can adjust the size just like this, and you can copy it by simply click on it. Ctrl plus C will help you to copy, and Ctrl plus V will help you to get that exact eyes or exact shape from here, or paste this that you have copied. Now you can find the alignment, that for proper alignment here. So it is now good here. Now you can find this arrow here, different types of arrow that you can use. Also some colors here, so you can add some colors like in this section here, just like this. Or I'm going to delete it here. So we are going to add a colors here and add it like this. Here it is. And I'm going to add the color here, that white, or we are going to add a color, for example this color here or this. Now you can do is you can add more color here, different types of color are available here, you can add. Now you can also add some texture. So I'm going to add a text. So here is the text icon. This is for lining actually. So you can try to create some line here, just like this. You can place it. Let me show you. If you click on that, that's it, and you can place it actually into yourself, just like this. And also you can make something like this here, also like this. Yeah, probably this is actually his hand. Now you can do is click on this texture. So you can add a text box here. For example, I'm going to add a text box where we can type anything like, and just like this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you can change the text size from here. Select the text and change the size from with this plus button here, just like this. I'm going to change the size here. Yeah, just like this. Now you can make it bold, and you can make it just like this. And also you can change the color of the text. I'm going to change this to white, and also the rest of this like here. And you can place it by this this dot icon here, or it will help you to rotate this just like this. And yeah, for this you can do is, when you have this here, this icon, this 4 arrow icon, you will be able to place it here just like this, and 3 dot button, and you can find the alignment here. So you can align it at the place here and the middle here, or just like this. So I'm going to place it here at the middle. So that's how you can just add a draw. Now you have to simply click on save and close after creating a draw, and you can see it has just added to your Google Docs. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.